pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing before the end of the video. So I have a few videos up of FabFitFun spoilers for winter 2021 that came from surveys. And I did post one video way back June 8th, I believe it was, and it was fall or winter 2021. And it wound up being the more winter than fall, and it was a survey, and I have touched and seen it again in other sites, so I thought I had a discrepancy or two in that video that I would make things clear and make another video in regards to that survey. So we're going to go through that today, and you guys are going to tell me your thoughts. Now, I did cancel for fall, and I don't know, winter's looking kind of good, but there are surveys out there that are different from one another. Like usually you see a repeat product here and there. So like I'm wondering what you guys have seen out there, what they're going to show us in a month or two when they put out their spoilers, and if these surveys are correct. Okay, so let's go to the first choice. I see the Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer or the Glacier, I believe it's called, Future Dew and Lash Slick Mascara Duo. And the next one I'm really liking, the Herschel Mica Tote. I think that this color is super pretty. I really do. And then we're getting into the Emery Travel, the Everything Travel Blanket, to where you get a blanket and you get a little traveling case with it. Or the Mark & Graham Wine Opener. Now this doesn't say the electric opener, but it kind of looks similar to that. So I'm going to put the picture on the screen of the one I found for you, and we'll see what it ends up being. But I don't think it's the electrical one. I'm pretty sure it's not. It doesn't say it anyhow. Or we've got the Bougie Refillable Glass Candle. And some of these pictures, like I said, I don't take my pictures from FabFitFun. I don't want copyright issues. I will actually Google the product and I will grab a picture from that and then put that on the screen for you. So sometimes the color may be off, but I'll let you guys know just so you're aware of all of that. Then we've got the Ryan Porter Votive Candles, set of 3. It looks like we have like a mint green one, a light pink, and then a red. Or the Unhide Little Marsh Blanket in Navy. I think these, okay, so this is the very first 8 choices, and I believe if you're an annual member, you do get to customize your entire box. Seasonally, $49.95 is what you would pay for this box, but you usually can get a $10 credit off your first box. And the benefits of doing it annually is you get to save more money, plus you can customize your entire box. So let's move on. I don't want to make this video super long for you guys, so let me go into the next 2 choices and we'll see what we have. We've got the Glamnetic Magnetic Lash Kit with magnetic liner. So these are pretty good lashes. I've seen them before. I don't always have good luck with them though. Or the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Minimizing Gel. Or the Glow by Day Satin Bonnet Duo. Or the Bright Angle Elixir Olive Oil Bottle. I think that's pretty neat too. Then we've got the Yori Bundle, the Sherpa Cosmetic Case, and 3-piece travel containers. Then we've got something, and when I posted my first video, for some reason I thought the brand was Mainstays, but it's not. It's a Sur La Table utensil set. So, and there's a set of 4 utensils here, which anyone can use. We're always doing like crock pots in the fall and the winter, you know, and all that fun stuff. So that's pretty neat. Then we've got the Bando Stemless Acrylic Wine Glass with Glitter Infusion. It's a set of 4 glasses, and they look glittery. They're really pretty. Then we've got the Lily Pulitzer Ceramic Mugs, a set of 2. And then we've got the Soho Soya and Kaya woven scarfigan with fringe. Now this product here, some people said that they've gotten it before. I haven't. I only got FabFitFun for a little over a year, and it was this past year, and I just recently canceled, so I've never gotten one of these. But people had said that the quality wasn't that great, that the fringe was coming off on it. So I don't know, I just thought I would put that out there for you. If you have used it or you do like it and you've received that product, would you put that down in the comments below for everyone to see? I would appreciate that so much. Okay, so that was the second choice. Let's move on to the third choice, and it looks like we have the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I love scalp treatments. I use one every 15 days, and it really does help with psoriasis, dryness, all that stuff. Or, I love the brand Briogeo too. It's Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. That looks pretty good, and that's a good brand. They also have the Christophe Robin Regenerating Hair Mask, or the Michael Kors Beanie with Palm, which I think is super cute. Okay, we're also looking for the Mason Tops Holiday Cocktail Bundle, and it looks like the color is a clear glass, and the covering around it is like a teal green or a turquoise, something similar to that. Then we've got Erin Condren Greeting Cards and Dual Tip Marker Bundle. Then we're looking at the Oak Reed 1 pound ankle weights. Oh, I use those a lot when I go walking. And then we've got Kate Spade Rise and Shine Stud Earrings, a set of 2. So you get 2 sets of earrings, which I think is neat. These are kind of pretty too. And you guys have said that their jewelry is pretty high quality, so that makes me excited because I've never gotten, oh no, I got a watch once, but I haven't used it yet. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, see, this one's a little bit different. The 8 Faces in Boundless Solid Oil is in here. And that is also a second choice. So there's a lot in here. Okay, let's move on. All right. A Rebecca Minkoff Studded Beanie. A different style 1 pound ankle weights. Disney times Bobble Bar B-Day Minnie Mouse studs. So these are Minnie Mouse earrings, which are cute. Wow, they really went all out in sending these surveys. Okay, the Illamasqua Gel Sculpt in your choice of fair, medium, or deep. And really what that is a contour stick. Frank Body Anti-Drama Face Mask, or the Tula Cult Classic Purifying Cleanser. Craft Crush Embroidery Kit, Mantra Band Silver Cuff Bracelet in She Believed She Could, So She Did. Love that. The Pear Milk Frother, which is basically just a hand mixer, and you would stick it right in the glass. The Mook Luxe Cabin Socks, and they show a gray pair. Wow, okay. The Vitamasks Cranberry and Apple Sheet Mask Set. Fluffy Detox Brush. Tea Espresso Mini Drink Mix Duo in Mimosa and Rose. The Gemelli Jenna Clips, a set of 2. Ewan Oil Amber Face Bio Serum. London Town Cuticle Pen. Stone Street Soap House Hey Ho Body Wash, or the Isaac Mazzari Slipper Socks. Let's see. Cloth in a Box Face Makeup Remover Cloth. I'm wondering if that's like the makeup eraser. The Aurori Minimal-ish Hand Lotion, or the Benkai Chocolate Balm Maker. Megan Cam Playing Cards, NCLA Lip Exfoliator Scrub, or the Bride Bright Stay Bright Teeth Wipes. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is a couple surveys thrown together, and that is everything right there. So let me know. Oh, wait. Yeah, I did say that. Okay, so let me know what you think down in the comments below. Have you gotten a survey? Have you not gotten a survey? Have you seen on Reddit or any other places what surveys are out there? And let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Talk to me down there. I would appreciate any feedback. If you have any questions for me, put them there as well. I will do my very best to answer them. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate every one of you guys. I wanted to get a quick video together for you guys so you could just basically get an outline of what FabFitFun might have for winter 2021. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video.